Hello, guys.
That's good. That's good.
That better?
Yeah.
Anyways, hi guys. How are you? This is Alex,
Hello.
an old friend from
مرحبا.
school. Yeah, hello. Anyways, so it's been a long time since the last time I did the vlog, and it wasn't like a vlog. It was like just a short video. I think it was the Alfa Romeo Quadrifoglio. And today I just decided, you know what? Maybe I'll just take the phone again, just shoot something. I'll just random stuff. Today Alex is gonna take us to the desert with his cool.
It's a buggy.
Yeah. Which brand?
It's a Can-Am Maverick.
Okay.
It's
Specs.
1000cc with a turbo. It's not too bad.
Not too bad. It's a monster, actually. God bless. Anyways, so yeah. But man, it's gonna be hot, صح?
It is gonna be hot. That's why we're gonna try to be quick and be efficient.
Yeah.
And try to do a good job in the process.
Hopefully we don't melt in this heat. Anyways, we're gonna eat a lot of sand, and yalla, let's go. Okay, no excitement.
Yalla, let's go. You know, just do it again.
No.
And just put your hand on the camera. Do transition.
So guys, we are in the patrol Vitique of Alex. And Alex, no, بس خلاص راح. We're gonna go set up the buggy right now. And no, Alex, no, Alex, la, Alex. Anyways, wait, yeah, Alex. He's so focused. What's this, Alex?
There's a cable.
Okay.
Plug it into the car. So you can make sure everything's running, all the lights are running.
Can you tell us more about the buggy, Alex? Just like quick specs. What do you have? Modes, stuff.
This is a Can-Am Maverick XRS.
Okay.
It is not the X3. There's an X3 downstairs, but we're not going to use it today. The X3 is the newer model of this. It has a lower center of gravity. It's a bit lower from the top, a bit wider. And power is about the same, but the actual power of the other one is a bit higher, but it's
Okay.
also a bit heavier than this one. This one has some few mods, little mods. It has a custom exhaust, but it is from Can-Am. Some Japanese brand, but Can-Am made it for us.
Okay.
And it has a sound system in it, which is kind of fun. I opted for not putting any doors or not putting anything. Keep it light, small windshield to have some wind.
Okay.
And other than that, it has, you know, Fox performance shocks. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's really all you need, you know.
God bless. Guys, funny thing, this is my compound over there, alright? And I've been living here for almost 3 years now, and I never knew about this place here. And Alex, since he's my neighbor, he's taking me. It's a nice playground.
It's a very nice playground.
Yeah.
There's some dunes there. There's a lot of animals around. It's a very, very cool location to have some fun, and it's right behind our houses.
Someone has broken this, huh? Guys, this is Shadi. It's the first time that we meet. عرف عن نفسك شوية شادي.
شادي شكرا. معكم شادي من السعودية، مقيم هنا في الإمارات، وتعرفنا على الشباب الطيبين وجابونا هنا دحين مع أليكس، جايين نصور فلوج مع بعض، وحيكون أول فلوج أنت لك كمان.
أيوة.
حتبدأ قناتك.
يب.
يلا نشوف إيش يطلع معانا.
إن شاء الله خير. Yeah, Ronan. It's time to set up the camera. And here it is. Ready to roll. guys, I just love how the starting system is on. Wow. Rev it. All okay.
Like here,
Okay.
and just follow me. Don't go too fast.
All right. Yeah. Let's hope I don't do something stupid. عندنا شادي زي درون اوبريتور. and كيف التصوير شادي؟
والله ممتاز بس مرة حر وتراب. الله يعطيك العافية فعلا.
شوفوا التصوير. The buggy heat up and we're leaving it to rest for some time. And the boys they went to do something, I don't know what is it, but I just found this. I think it's a camel. Yeah, it's a camel. It's a camel skeleton. I think so. هاي. شادي يعطيك العافية اليوم على تصوير الدرون.
والله انت اللي
صراحة الشغل عدل.
والله انت اللي صراحة يعني فعلا فادي كان جالس فوق تلة الرملة قاعد يصور وكمية رمل قاعد تشوف بس يعطيك الف عافية والله.
الله يعافيك. شوف هذا. All right guys, so that's the end. We're very tired, all dirty. We ate a lot of sand. And we are in Alex's studio. Here's Alex.
What's up?
And Shadi.
What's up?
So, I don't know how to say this, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And if you guys like this type of content and if you want to see more of that, make sure to subscribe and push that notification button. And if you guys have any comments, things I can do, ideas, I don't know, something that you guys can suggest, I'm willing to hear that. And yeah, this will be very helpful. So yeah, guys, I will see you on the next one. And yeah, peace out.